Look at them. Both of them are actually waiting for food. Even though they're not hungry that much, they'll be waiting like that. And of course, I have to give them some food now. Although I have given at early morning. But let's see the reaction. How's the reaction if it touch the food packets? Look at the reaction. You want to eat food? George? Olivia? You want to eat food? Yes. They're saying that. Don't make us wait anymore. Okay, come. Oh, wait. Okay. Don't fight. No need to fight. It's silently. Don't fight, guys. Oh, come on. Look at them. They're just fighting. George and Olivia, just eat quietly, okay? Guys, come on. They're happy at the same time. They're jealous on each other. They don't want to share the food. That's it. Well, so that was the direction. It happens each and every time. Whenever I come into the room, they'll be waiting for food, and if I touch the food packets, means they will be so much excited and very happy. All right, they'll keep eating now. Okay.